Now, race number 4 and the race on Devil Rising. Fabiola down on the inside and rushing up from the outside is Golden Rage. Fabiola, Golden Rage. Fighting it out for the lead and running down on the inside is Jupiter Thunder. Stop guessing. Good Hope alongside Princess Ashley, Dagger Loop and Devil Rising. Golden Rage, Fabiola, Princess Ashley. From the outside, Good Hope. Down on the inside is Dagger Loop, Jupiter Thunder. Alongside, Stop Guessing and Devil Rising. Rounding the far turn, Golden Rage, Princess Ashley. Fabiola is running down on the inside. Good Hope, Dagger Loop. As they race the last 450. Edstall, Princess Ashley, Golden Rage, Fabiola, Good Hope, Jupiter Thunder. Alongside and Dagger Loop, Devil Rising, Stop Guessing. And Risk Taker as they race the final corner. Princess Ashley, Golden Rage, Fabiola is running by the rail. Jupiter Thunder and Good Hope. Entering the last 150 meters more to run. Princess Ashley. Fabiola is running by the rail. Good Hope, Jupiter Thunder. Entering the finish line. Princess Ashley second. Close. Good Hope, Fabiola, Jupiter Thunder and Golden Rage for your Fantafecta.